No, you, sir, lose your legs. Thank you. So, oh, we can't get in there, never mind. Throat clearage. Sorry about that. I don't know what causes it. Oh! Wait. Was it wanting me to grab that rocket? Oh, look! I know I was wondering if I'd get a rocket launcher in this game. Jiminy Cricket. Oi! Oh, apparently I am. Press and hold mouse 2 to fire a tracking rocket. Military issue launcher that fires he rockets. Why not she rockets? I prefer the female ones to shoot their... Whoa! They've got rockets too, you know. Ow, fudge. Fudgy nut bars! Excuse me, but no. Spamagram or what? Ha. Can't get me. Because you're a retard. You're also dead. So are you. Because you're an idiot. Oi! Because you're an idiot. Hi! Oh yeah, that was one of those big guys who usually has a bloody thing. Oh look, have we got... Yes, I think we got a bit of a bonus area. Wub 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 wub. I don't know what we found. A weapon tech. That's nice, that is. I assume that was some autogun ammo. Yeah, it probably was. Right. Mouldy music with some crunchy sounds. Oh wait, yeah. I might as well. I just might... Wow, 9. 9! Yeah. Well, no, I'm not going to use it yet, actually. Oh wait, it's one of those. It's one of those types. Oh, Jabba the Hutt. Oh, why do you fade away? Like as if you don't exist in the future or something. Yes, autocannon ammo, good. Good, I should probably like use the rocket launcher until I've got some more autogun ammo. Why? Oh, you would do that, wouldn't you? Oh look, that's why there's an opening just there. Hop, da da da. Yes. Oh shiz. There's a lot of things over there, and I mean a lot. They're coming for me. Good, because I like a bit of alien courage. Shut up, phone. I'm probably wasting this, aren't I? I probably don't need to deal with those things over there. Yeah, probably. Let's just get a move on. Oh, what's the pons? Oh, look. My neighbour, he is a pain in my arseholes. I get a bear from a fur. What? I get a bear made from a fur. He must get a bear made from a fur. I get a can of a meat. He must get a can of a meat. I get an egg he cannot afford. Great success. Sorry, I just have trouble reading someone who can't flidding write. Hey you! Oh. Oi! You've got a javelin launch, bloody blah rah! What bloody javelin gun from Dead Space 2? How is the ammo full of... Oh, I picked up his. That's how... Oi, do you mind? Na 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 na. Die. Try dying anyway. Oi, kill the dude who's shooting ya. Good. Oh. Aha! Right. And there's still more over there, so like... presumably... Spike shot, piss off! Presumably this will kill him. Oh no. We've got some dodginess going on. Luckily I can just duck and avoid everything. Well, so that's why you go and stand up? Yes! Moo! They have some kind of armour that protects them from being aged. I wish I had anti-aging armour. Whatever! Probably a waste. Oh my god. Just leave him alone. Just leave him be. Go away. What an annoying onslaught. There's a lot of crap going on down there. Hi. Hi over there. Bye. Bye over there. Oh, he's going indoors. He can't handle this anymore. Hey look. There's some Walter Sullivan down there, as in some water. Don't give me a spike shot. Fine. Don't give me a spike shot. Oh, I had no idea you could do that. But before I go, I just want to repair this to make it look like I never used it.
You should be inside the facility.
Yeah, I am.
So much E99 was processed there that time rifts occur naturally.
What occurs naturally?
Find a rift. Get back to 1955 as soon as you can.
Oh, okay. No, okay. I get where you're going with this. No, I don't actually. But that's just fine by me. I mean, since when do I ever understand where you're going with anything? I don't. That's the whole point. Dharma initiative. You're gonna open. I can break you now. Oh, flob. Yeah. Oh, cool. He's frozen. Go away. Splats. Oh, cool. His limbs exploded. Hi. Oh. What an idiot. What an idiot. I don't think I actually took damage though, which is just fine. By me. I don't know if it's fine by you, but it's fine by me. That's all that matters. Hee hee hee. Schwab! It's a bloody egg door.
You're far enough in. You should be seeing a rift by now.
No, I'm not actually.
Use it to find the activation code. We'll need to recharge the E99 bomb.
Bomb.
Dr. Petrov keeps it in his office.
Dr. Pedro Manletti.
I wish there was an easier way, Captain.
Go away. What's that? Oh. I'm still carrying that damn bomb around. Hoi hoi. Whatever. Ah. That didn't do much. Did it? No. We require activation codes. Don't we? Yeah, we do. Wait, I have to go that way. Which basically means we're going to look the other... No, we're not actually. Just look at that mess. Wow, wow. Elevator. Isolator. Have some cheese ors in your underwear store. Wait, I think I've done something like that before. Oi! No, not really. Why would you think a rocket would be able to get through the bloody metal grating? Whatever. I'm an idiot. Let's mumble, 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 mumble. I see a rift. I think we're gonna go through it like this. Do I get to keep my rocket launcher for once? Perhaps. We'll find out, won't we? Yeah, I do. Whoa!